ഹലോ വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു അവർ സെഷൻ. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് സെഷനിൽ ഞാൻ എന്തായിരുന്നു വർക്ക് തന്നിരുന്നത്? ഫസ്റ്റ് സെഷനിൽ വി വെയർ ഡീലിംഗ് വിത്ത് ആർ വോൾട്ടേജ് ലിമിറ്റർ അല്ലേ? മറന്നുപോയോ? വോൾട്ടേജ് ലിമിറ്ററിൻ്റെ കഥയൊക്കെ ഓർക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? അതായത് വോൾട്ടേജ് ലിമിറ്റർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സർക്യൂട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ലിമിറ്റ്സ് ദ വോൾട്ടേജ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ദ പർട്ടിക്കുലർ വാല്യൂ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വി സെഡ് പ്ലസ് വി ഡി, മൈനസ് വി സെഡ് പ്ലസ് വി ഡി മുതൽ പ്ലസ് വി സെഡ് പ്ലസ് വി ഡി വരെ ലിമിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമായിരുന്നു. അതായത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ഹാഫ് സൈക്കിൾ വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ഇൻവേർട്ടിംഗ് ടെർമിനൽ വി ആർ ഗിവിംഗ് ഇൻപുട്ട് ടു ദ ഇൻവേർട്ടിംഗ് ടെർമിനൽ, സോ ദ ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് വിൽ ബി minus V0. So minus V0, when it comes in minus V0, then what will happen? This is negative. So this diode D2 is reverse biased, or it will moves to avalanche conduction because it is an diode, and D1 is forward biased, so D1 will act as a normal diode. So the output will be, the maximum output possible will be VD2, that is VZ plus VD1. VZ plus VD1. The output is minus, so I have given the symbol minus. Okay, here. Now what will happen when it comes into the negative direction? When the input moves into the negative direction, here in the negative, if we are giving to the inverting, the output will be the positive voltage. So it becomes positive, so diode D2 will become forward biased, so the voltage across will be VD2, and this will becomes reverse bias because we are giving negative voltage here, so it will become reverse biased, or Zener diode will move on to avalanche conduction, and the voltage across will be VZ. So the maximum output voltage possible is VZ plus VD2. So we know that in a voltage limiter circuit, the output voltage swing is limited in between minus VZ plus VD to VZ plus VD, the voltage swings. Now I have asked you, how can we limit the output voltage? Okay, especially if we want to limit the swing, I am going to limit the swing, positive swing. This was the question I have asked, how to limit the positive swing. In order to limit the positive swing, means we have to reduce the positive voltage. So we are replacing a Zener diode D2 with a diode. So what will happen if we are replacing Zener diode with a diode? Then we understood that when the input become positive, the output will be negative. When we are giving positive input to the inverting terminal, the output will be minus V0. When here the output occurs is minus V0, then naturally this D2, what will happen to D2? D2 will be reverse biased. When this diode becomes reverse biased, then what will happen? It will be in the open circuit. So this will be open circuit. The feedback circuit will be open circuit. As a result, what will happen? The op-amp now behaves as an open loop configuration because the feedback path is open circuit. So the output will be, what is the output? When the positive input is given to the inverting terminal, the output will in this case will be minus VZ. The output in this case will be minus VZ. Then what happens when the input becomes negative? When the input becomes negative, the output will be plus VZ, isn't it? Plus output. The output will be to the positive side. So when output is positive, this diode D2 becomes forward biased and D1 becomes reverse biased. So D1 is a Zener diode. So D1 enters avalanche conduction. So the voltage across the diode D1 will be VZ, and voltage across D2 will be VD2, that is normal voltage 0.7 for a Zener diode. Okay, so what will be the maximum output possible? Output voltage possible is VZ plus VD2. That is why the output voltage is VZ plus VD2 when my input is negative and input is given to the inverting terminal. As a result, now we know that when my input is positive, output will be minus VZ. It will be in open loop configuration, and when my input goes to the negative, negative input is fed to the inverting terminal, then the output will be VZ plus VD2. Here we are limiting the voltage swing of the positive side. So how to limit the voltage at the positive side? how to limit the voltage at the positive swing? We can employ a combination of Zener diode and a normal diode, precision diode or a normal rectifier diode to limit the swing. In order to limit the positive swing, that is in order to reduce the positive swing, we have to make diode D2 to the normal diode and D1 as a Zener diode. If we want to limit the negative swing, then what we have to do? In order to limit the negative swing, we have to inter change between D1 and D2, or we have to swap the positions of D1 and D2. In order to limit the negative swing, D1 should be a normal diode and D2 should be uh, a Zener diode. Okay, in order to limit the negative swing. Okay, so that you can draw and you can find it out. You can redraw the circuit, and you have to redraw this waveform also. Now if we want to eliminate a complete swing, if we want to eliminate a complete swing, then what we will do? Then we have to use only one Zener diode. No need of using the combination. Shall we check it? If I want to eliminate the negative swing, I am going to eliminate the negative swing. Then what will I use? See, look, here I am replacing with a one single Zener diode. So what will happen when my input is positive? When my input is positive at the inverting terminal, output will be negative. So this output will be negative. So as a result, what will happen? This my diode, my diode D will be forward biased and act as a normal diode. So the output voltage will be minus VD, normal diode. When it comes into the negative direction, then what will happen? Negative is given to the inverting terminal, the output will be plus VZ. So at the time of plus VZ, this diode D becomes reverse biased, or the Zener enters into the avalanche conduction. So the voltage across is VZ. Shall we look into it? So when it moves into the negative direction, the output voltage is plus VZ, and when the input is positive to the inverting terminal, the output is minus VD. This is only 0.7, which is almost like we are neglecting our negative cycle. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed your voltage limiter circuit and the applications. Now you can design the circuits with the desired voltage. Okay, with the possible combinations of Zeners available. Okay, I hope you understood it. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. So in the Google Classroom, I will ask one special case, and also I will ask for answering some previous year question, only one previous year question. Okay, so have a very happy, very peaceful new year and year around you, and be productive and stay positive always. Okay, bye bye, happy learning.